I've always struggled with my weight. I'm the type to fluctuate, never really being able to stick to one diet or another for more than maybe a month or two. Exercise has never really been appealing to me. There was a time when I would walk with the other moms after the kids went to school, but they're grown and gone now. I don't really enjoy walking alone, but the one thing I do love is gardening. I've been at it for years, but it's never been an activity that's burned enough calories to let me fully enjoy my husband's cooking. After he passed, I lost all motivation. I really just about gave up and wanted to never get out of bed again. I was somewhat overweight before, but never like this. When I finally weighed myself, I found I had put on almost 20 pounds since his passing. A lot of people lose weight after death because they stop eating. Nope, not me. Food was my comfort. My daughter expressed her concern and motivated me to get to the community fitness center to take one of their senior fitness classes. I did go. It was nice to be in a sort of community, but honestly, I didn't really lose any weight, maybe a pound. One night I couldn't sleep, so I was on the computer. The funny thing is, I was actually snacking on popcorn. Anyway, I started to look some things up about weight loss, and I came across the fat decimator system. I started reading about it, and I was interested. I read for a while before going back to bed. But the next day I read more, and by the next week, I was signed up and watching the pounds start to shed. I mean, it was that simple. My favorite part about this system is the protein shakes. I absolutely love them. While I'm not really into muscles and lifting weights, they taste just like milkshakes and keep me full for hours. Going to the gym for the community class is something I do a few times per week now. The other people there that are my age could not believe my transformation. I'm down 22 pounds and still losing. I think I lost 6 pounds in the first week. Honest to God, I feel like a different person. I haven't had this much energy since before I had kids. It's incredible. This system, I recommend it to everyone I know, even my daughter. She just started last week after seeing my results. I feel so thankful and lucky for finding this product. And I'll keep sharing it with everyone. There's just one thing. I wish my husband could see me now, but I know he's looking down on me.